let us understand the physics behind the car crashes. When a car crashes, it's an intricate dance of forces and energy. Firstly, talking about kinetic energy, which goes by the equation in a collision. Momentum is conserved as per Newton's third law. Impulse experienced during a collision is equal to the change in momentum. Airbags are employed that reduce average force by extending your body's stopping time. So make sure to drive responsibly and keep the roads safe for everyone's sake.